Hi, my name is Oscar. I'm the marketing manager at City Network. Today we're going to talk to our head of human resources and quality, who's Tony Hallén. Tony has been with us for almost a year now. He's been working with quality assurance primarily. Last week we got some great news about some work that he's been doing for the last 6 months, which is information security management and also environmental management system. So we just gained 2 new certifications, the ISO 27001 and ISO 14001. We're going to talk to Tony a bit about what this means for the company. All right, so I'm here with Tony Hallén, who is our manager of quality and human resources. Welcome, Tony.
Thank you.
So could you tell us a bit about what you do as a quality and HR manager here?
Yeah, my primary objectives is to secure that there is structure, processes, routines to get this company towards our vision and our great objectives ahead, actually. And as a human resources manager, I'd like to be able to get all our personnel to participate in all our goals that we have ahead.
All right. So last week we got some, quite interesting and quite fun and absolutely quite huge news. Tell us a bit more about what happened last week.
Yeah, last week we got the certificates for 2 major standards that we approached with the beginning of last year. So we got certificate of EMS, the 14001 environmental management system, and the 27001 information security management system. And we proceed with a great result, actually.
What do those mean in more detail? So the IMS, EMS, environmental management system. What's it all about?
Well, EMS, it's a system that we need to secure that we work for a sustainability and a sustainable world, and that we would like do our most to reduce our energy, what we use, and to be able to secure that we have products that fulfills all the high standards that our customer demands and we ourselves demand at ourselves. We set objectives and reach our goals. And the 27001, the information security system, that's mostly about secure data in every aspect there is. All from making risk assessments to actually doing concrete action to reduce any risk of any informational breach wherever in the world the data are.
Okay. So having these certificates, I don't know if we mentioned it, we already have the 9001, the quality management system. Yeah. So we're certified for quality management system, EMS, which is environmental management system, and also ISMS, which is the information security management system. So having all 3 is kind of rare, right? And what does that mean for us as a company?
Yeah, it's kind of rare. There are 36 companies, I think, that's certified for information security, 27001, and only 4 or 5 companies in where we work, in this business we work. So it's kind of rare and probably will be more common towards the years ahead, because information security is a big issue for every private person and every company that will connect to the cloud in some way. So it will mean a lot to our customers, I think. They will notify that we have to make sure in every aspect that the right person are connected to the right servers, the right systems, and we will make sure that those who don't fulfill these needs will be disconnected. So every data will be secure.
So the 27001, the ISMS system, it's quite interesting, what it actually means in more detail. So could you take us through that? It's what is it all about? How do we secure data? In which ways?
Well, first of all, it all comes down to make a thorough risk assessment for all our systems, and physical assets, logical access. It comes down to a risk assessment actually from the beginning to see where is there any risk of everything from earthquakes to wrong person getting into a data center, and how can we secure that that will not happen, and from that point make actions to secure that there is no major risk in any way that you can lose or wrong person get hold of data they shouldn't have actually.
So what does this mean for our customers? How will they? You spoke about that a bit, but let's that we're gonna make more rigorous checks and stuff. But in the long run, how will our customers benefit from us being certified according to ISMS or 27001?
Well, I think they will benefit in that matter that they will see that if they store data in the cloud, they will be more secure with their data in the cloud than with their data locally stored in the basement or wherever they have their service today. And we can prove it. Hopefully we don't have to prove it, but our customers will be sure that the data that's in our data centers, they have redundancy, they have no access to other parties that shouldn't have access, and we are professional suppliers to secure all that in the way that we handle our information here.
All right. So I know it's been a tough year for all of us. Well, tough. It's been exciting, and we've had our work cut out for us, and you in particular being having the lead in these projects. So how does it feel to get acknowledged now with the certificates in your hand?
Yeah, it feels terrific. It means also that all the people that has been involved in this has done a terrific job. Everyone has been involved, everyone from CEO down to every single cooperators in the organization. They have been educated in the same way, all staff, and have been able to start up and manage their daily work with new routines, with new secure way of working. So it actually feels great to see that everyone in the company seems to enjoy the new wisdom they have got regarding how much and how important information security is, and even what sustainable society means for us as a company and for each and other person privately also.
All right. Did you lock your computer when you left your
Yeah,
desk?
I did. I did.
That's great. All right. So one last question. So what do you see on the horizon now? I mean, this is, of course, as you said, it's a receipt that we're doing something right, that we're doing these things right with information and also with the environment and with quality. It's not the end, though. What do you see on the horizon?
Yeah, no, these 3 certificates that we have is actually the foundation for us to build forward. I see coming up the expansion in the Europe and even worldwide. We also need to be able to secure data mostly in the financial sector also. So we have 27,015 coming up. And that'll be exciting to see what this can bring to us as a company and for our customers. It will not be a big deal, but it will be some issues ahead that we need to secure even more. So that, I'm looking forward to it. The journey will begin in that area also.
So you're looking forward to another year of hard
Yeah.
work to get it done, basically.
Yeah, it is.
All right, thank you very much, Tony.
Thank you.